Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can scan your computer without installing any antivirus software. Open the run command, Ctrl plus R, and write here MRT. A dialog box will open, so you wait for some time. So here you can click on the next. So here are the options in which you can select. I'm going to select the quick scan and click on next. When you click on next, your file starts scanning. So all the files will be scanned and you don't need to install any antivirus software from the internet. So this window command will scan all of your files and remove the infected files from your computer automatically. So here you can see in the title, Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. So it's mean Windows does not need any antivirus software. So you just have to open the run command and then you have to write MRT, then press enter. Then window will automatically scan all of your computer and show you how many infected files are there. So as you see, file scanned 7700 and something, so file infected are 0, start time and time elapsed. So when this will completed, this will show you the result. So as you see in my computer, there are no malicious software was detected. So as if you like the video, then click the subscriber button. Thank you so much.